Still remember after my 12th class result, everybody was so disheartened. My family, the society, even myself. But you know what? What happened afterwards? That was the turning point of my life. That thing, which is a sort of mistake or a sort of not so nice thing in my life, in the eyes of the other people or even myself at that point of time. That was the turning, the most transformative period of my life. How can I forget that? Isn't it my own most nice turning point in my life, which has changed my life forever? I started seeking for the answers. I started asking those questions that why I'm born here? What is the purpose of my life? Why I want to do certain things in my life? That was the time that gave me a chance to look within. And I'm really happy for that. I have made few mistakes, but you know what? Those mistakes helped me to grow more nicely. It has not created an illusion. Those mistakes have helped me to become a more better person in every way. I embrace those mistakes because you know what? Whenever you are not making mistakes, that means we are not learning, we are not growing. Because our consciousness is always expanding, it is always searching for new experiences and new sort of things. And only when we are trying out things, doing different things, we are making mistakes. After mistake only we realize that that was the mistake, so it's a gift sort of thing. But we have learned, that was the mistake, so it's a gift. You know what happened? After that, after 12th, I took a chance. I decided I'm going to walk towards the unconventional path. I decided I'm going to study the yogic science. Coming from such an humble background, when I announced this thing and told my parents that I want to study this subject, everybody was against me. And they were saying, okay, this is not the right career choice which you should have taken. You can go for some other sort of things. And I was like, no, this is what I firmly believe in. After a lot of introspection, I realized that, this is my inner call. This is what I firmly believe in. This is the purpose of my life. So I took a chance. And now I've completed my graduation. And I fortunately became the gold medalist with my own hard work and dedication. Now everybody is praising me. Even I'm feeling so nice about my own self. And now I have a clear vision and mission towards my life. I firmly believe that with the help of ancient yogic wisdom, I'm going to help people to become the best version of themselves and help them uncover their own inner calling and the divine calling and make them align it towards their own profession. What we are seeing around, many people are not happy with their own job, with their own profession, and that's why they are going towards those, what we can say, towards addictions or towards external stimulants and towards those emotional turbulences because they're not happy from within. They want escape. Come on, what if your work becomes your play? Isn't it will be amazing? So only when I made mistakes and only when I have those sort of opportunities, I have taken risks in my life. When there was unknown, there was a fear of unknown, still I took a leap of faith. So only when in life we make mistakes and we take chances in our life, then only we can grow, because the universe tests us. Okay, tell me how much faith you have, how much energy do you have, how much courage do you have to go ahead. And when you say, okay, I'm not going to be afraid of this and I'm going to take that leap of faith, and because I am bigger than the events and the situations, I can affect, because events come, situations goes here and there, but I am still there and I have the things. And past many times we have faced so many troubles, problems, we have overcome them, right? In the present there is no such problem. So yes, we have that opportunity and we all have that capacity to overcome all those things. So make mistakes, because that's the way you learn more and you grow more and you realize your own potential. And taking risk is the biggest gift you can give it to yourself, because you never know what is there on the other side. Thank you so much.